Hello, in this video I want to show you how to respec passive points in Last Epoch. To do this, first let's open our passive tree like this, and as you can see I have 0 unspent points, so if we want to unspec we'll need to respec, we'll need to find an NPC that allows us to do so, and it looks like this. On the map it has the same icon. Just like that. Then we can talk to that NPC and respecialize mastery point allocations. Then to remove the points it will cost us gold, and you can see the amount of gold by clicking on the last skill that you've invested in, because keep in mind that you can't just start from the beginning, because this will, most of the time at least, you won't be able to start from the beginning because this will break the game. So just start from the last skill points that are available, or the last points that you've actually spent the points for, and you'll be able to respec them. And also keep in mind that this cost of gold will increase each time you respec. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.